Happy birthday!
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ready? Happy birthday!
Hi, Mami Judasa. Happy birthday. Alam mo naman kung gaano ka namin kamahal. Alam mo ako dyan sa kahit nag-talk sa kayara ko, ako pa rin yung nag-isang anak mo siyam. Mahal ka namin. Hindi kita pagpapalit kahit kanina. Wish ko lang sa'yo. Good health. Huwag kang magbabago. Stay mabait. Stay pretty. I love you. Ito lang ako palagi para sa'yo.
Hi, Mamila! Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthday and more blessing to come. Stay pretty as always. We love ya.
Hi, Mami! Binabati kita ng happy birthday. Pasensya na medyo pause. Ayun, kahit hindi na ako part ng Anubis, lagi pa rin kitang tinitreat as Mami. Sobrang bait mo, sobrang lambis, sobrang sweet, kaya kahit saan punta, hindi mo mawawala yung respeto at pagmamahal ko sa'yo. Ang sarap na isipin na nakilala kita kasi isa talaga sa mga tao na bibigyan ng good vibes at ngiti sa lahat. Sana, ngayong special day mo, puno-puno ka ng happiness, love, at surprises na magpapangiti sa'yo buong araw. Deserve mo lahat ng blessings at lahat ng mabubuting bagay sa buhay kasi mabait ka, totoo sa lahat. Enjoy yung birthday, Mami Dolls. Huwag kalimutan mag-celebrate at mag-enjoy kasi once a year lang to. Stay pretty, sweet, and lovable as always. One of your pretty daughter, Laying.
Hi, Mami. Happy birthday po. Wish ko lang po sa'yo is bigyan ko pa syempre ni Lord ng mahabang buhay and maging healthy ka sa araw-araw. Alam mo na po yun. Then, I love you.
Hello guys, this is Devil. How are you? Sana okay lang kayo kasi ako hindi. Kinang-inin nyo. Pero today is a happy day. Happy birthday sa kapatid ko. Happy birthday, Sisi. I love you so much.
Happy birthday kay Lola Judasa. Isa sa pinakamaganda, mabait, napakabait mong tao, pinakamayaman, pinaka-humble, pinakamagaling mag-blend. Blenderis sinungaling ka, girl. Ay, hindi. Ayun, sana matupad lahat ng mga wish mo. And syempre pati na rin yung mga wish ko. Wala tagal pa birthday ko gusto ko na matupad yung mga wish ko Ano lang, alagaan mo sarili mo. Happy 21st birthday. Hello, pumata. I miss you, Mami Judasa. Stay what you are and sana magbago ka na.
Hi, Mommy. Happiest birthday to you. Wishing you a beautiful day with a good health and happiness forever. I love you, Mommy. Mwah.
Hello, Mami Dasa. Happy birthday. I know I don't know how old you are, but I hope more birthdays to come. First of all, Mommy, thank you even though we're so stubborn, you're still there for us. Always remember, Mommy, that I'm here for you no matter what happens. Thank you also, Mommy, for accepting and trusting me with your most beloved family. Just always take care of yourself, Mommy. Don't neglect yourself and don't skip meals. I love you so much, Mommy. Again, happy birthday, Mami Dasa, from your pretty and sexy daughter, Kat. And thank you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday to the most loving mom in the world. Enjoy ang bangkat at daw mo, Mami. Nakalimutan mo. ba kami na? Sige tayo, sasayaw tayo kasi birthday ko. Love ka. Unay.
Hi Mami, it's me, Raya, your pinakamagandang anak. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. Enjoy mo lang araw to. So, na-surprise ka ba? Kasi kami, ewan ko sa kanila. Love you.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You're so beautiful.